It's trying to take my boot off.
Eyes locked from across the room. Hot sweat dripping, bright neon light.
It is 12:03 on February 24th. Yesterday, Massachusetts had yet another blizzard, another snowstorm. And I wasn't planning on going outside. But I was summoned, I was requested. So I'm gonna put some clothes on. I'm gonna fix the freaking focus because I don't know what's going on, and then I'm gonna be back. I had no intentions of coming out here, but this was a special request, so I must deliver. Let's go. Let's go. This is the drip, the fit. Let's go. It's actually warm out, which is luckily melting some of it. I can't even see my damn screen. The car is missing again. We just got back visibility of the cars, and they're gone again. Like, this is some straight up tomfoolery. Straight up tomfoolery, and not water dropping on my camera. I did not consent to that. Just hold on. Let me go step over here and show y'all. Cause right, do you see? Do you see? You think you're free, and Massachusetts said, "Try me." This is just what was moved up to my knee. My knee's here, right? I'm sick of this. Massachusetts, we've had enough. We've had enough. The fact I can sit on it is sad. It's crazy. And I don't appreciate it. I did not agree nor sign up for this much damn snow. And that's not to friggin' mention if you think I'm going over there, you're crazy. Let's really just take the time to acknowledge that there is even something right there. See that? Yeah. The stairs are gone. I don't know if I can trek over there, because I think I'll go up to my hip. But we gonna try. Cometh hither. Brody, that's too much stamps. Oh, can I step on top of it? Let me get some hold. Nope. Got all up in my boots. If I slide down this, do you think I'll bust my ass? I don't think so. It's just a matter of actually getting on it though. Brody, this shouldn't be possible. This ain't okay with me. Again, Massachusetts, I didn't consent to this. Nah, the snow's way too thick. Oh my. Yo, I might be screwed. I might legitimately be screwed. So let me go ahead and prop y'all up in the snow while I go get myself stuck out in the snow. Ah. Oh dear Lord Jesus. I don't think I'm gonna get rescued if I go out here. I'm currently on top of the snow. Who willingly, purposefully, and intentionally comes to Massachusetts? I want to know, besides tourists, in historians, because I don't think anyone with actual sense and love for themselves really wakes up and is like, you know what? I'm gonna leave my nice, you know, I'm gonna leave where I'm from to go live out my days in Massachusetts. I don't think anyone has ever said that. Because this is ridiculous. There should never be this much snow. And again, it's not like, it's just too damn much. It's still like the soft snow. I also don't even know how I'm gonna get back up there, but like, we gonna see. Do I want to trek back over to that tree? I'd have to come get y'all before I go over there though. Like, why? Why? In what world does a person need to experience this much daggone snow in their life? They don't. I'm gonna try and let's see. Let us dig and see if we can even make a dent in this daggone snow. I know people who like intentionally live in the Arctic are probably like, oh, y'all complaining, this is nothing. I didn't. You made a choice, okay? I didn't. And I would appreciate if y'all kept y'all snow and weather to yourself. I can't even hit the bottom. Like, I'm probably halfway there right now. And it's so compacted together that now I can't dig anymore. Like, Brody, who did this?
You want to see me do it again?
I say we blame Adam and Eve. Yeah, I say we blame them for this. Because maybe God wouldn't have created snow had they just, you know, followed instructions, but it's trying to take my boot off. I'm trying to take my boot off. Let's see. Oh. Brody. That's up to my thigh and I still haven't touched the floor. Which means that this thing is probably up to my hip. Probably up to my hip. Again, for those of y'all lucky enough not to have it, you know. Oh, this is the good snow too, low key. Because remember last time I came out here, I was like, oh yeah, let's make, do you wanna build a snowman? See, I'm currently getting so cold that my body's starting to feel warm. And that's concerning. It's only slightly concerning though. But you know, people, this snowman is subscribed to the channel. It's gonna be our mascot, low key. Are you subbed? Or are you just a random viewer who's like, damn, people in Massachusetts are getting rocked. Thank you, son. I appreciate the little bit of warmth. Doesn't excuse what you did, but I mean, shoot. You know, body tea, coochie good. Yeah. You know, there's a couple people who their car is stuck. Because, you know, they can't follow directions when they said don't move your car. Like, stay in the house. Yeah, let's just say that they're not having as much fun as we are. Maybe I should have went to art school, you know, gone to sculpting, but I didn't refine the details. Now, we gotta make the head. I'm just looking like a lady. She got that body, yaddy, 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 yaddy. Miss Thick. Now, can't have a, don't want her neck to be too thick, but like, zam. Okay, baddie. No, I'm sculpting her towards me, so I'm gonna have to. Damn, hold on. She's disconnected from the rest, so we just gonna. And don't judge. You acting like you can make any better. That's hilarious. What if I make this into a boulder though? I want to position y'all somewhere where I can throw it. Trying to see how much strength I really have. Y'all. Wait. He just yeeted the absolute life out of y'all. Yo, it done hit y'all completely off the stand. It took y'all off the tripod. That is hilarious. My bad. It wasn't entirely intentional. You know, I meant to hit you. I just didn't mean to hit you that hard. You know, the real question now is, how am I gonna get back up there? Ah! Without getting stuck. We gonna see. I'm gonna fall back into it. It's gonna be my last little thing. Then I'm gonna get up out this damn cold and go back to the comfort of my my warm room. And I'm gonna commit. Might bust my eye, but like, I committed, didn't I? Okay, I wimped out. Okay, not too much. Brody, this is just. Long and short of it is, don't come to Massachusetts, or else you're gonna have to deal with this. Cause we also supposedly have more coming. Now I don't appreciate that. Again, I wonder if my parents can see me on the cameras, or this gonna be a nice little surprise upload. I swim my way back over here because I'm not climbing on. I'm not walking through this. This is honestly how I'm about to have to get back up. You're gonna have to crawl. It's cometh hither. I regret nothing. What? And then I bet money, when summer comes, it's gonna be lava. What's crazy is that because the sun is out now, it's melted all of what was on here. But had I came out here last night, all of this was just ice and snow. This is some crap. Look at my ankles. Look at my... I just realized or remembered that this was connected to the brown sweater I just took off. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Go check out my other snow videos. Go check out my Bible study. And I got more videos coming. Now, bye.
I want it in the worst ways, oh baby. It's a shame that we don't operate well, baby. Cause you're bad for my health. I swear you go to hell, take the L. I don't wanna see you swell no more. And you might be the death of me.